Website creation. Optimizing your website is still an essential step you must take to show people that your business is reliable and reputable. Luckily, these days you don't have to understand complex coding or pay someone an exorbitant fee to enhance your website, so it loads fast and is optimized for mobile devices. Now, with easy-to-navigate interfaces, you can get your website sleek and streamlined all by yourself. There is also no need to pay anyone to create a website for you, unless you want to. Remarkable platforms like WordPress and Wix enable you to launch a professional-looking website in just a few clicks. We highly recommend using the WordPress platform, as you can create standout websites using WordPress themes. Themes are ready-made website templates you can completely customize to fit your brand's needs. You can change almost everything to suit, from fonts and icons to pictures and your logo. To create a smart-looking logo for your brand, it's easy, and you don't even need to hire a graphic designer, as there are some easy-to-use online logo creators out there, like logomaker.com and Canva. Displayed here, you can see WordPress's popular Avada theme, their best-selling theme of all time. You can edit it easily to suit your own website needs by clicking on the text and writing your own content. The other parts of the theme are equally easy to customize, enabling you to insert your own media, videos, carousels, and icons just by dragging and dropping. Results are displayed immediately, allowing you to create an outstanding website in just minutes without any coding or design knowledge whatsoever. Later on in this course, you'll see us create a stunning WordPress website in the website creation chapter, and you'll be able to copy the step-by-step instructions to immediately do the same yourself. You'll even learn how we're able to quickly optimize a website speed to a GTmetrix score of A99% without any coding experience at all. You can use your newfound ability to create websites to make money fast. Why not try reaching out to a few businesses in your neighborhood and offering them a sleek-looking, mobile-optimized WordPress website? Make sure you ask for a deposit up front, as this will allow you to start your business immediately without any need of capital or an upfront investment.